experience in one way or another with performing. Church, school, community, even films, hindi ba? So, pag-iisipin mo, ano pa ang papel ko dito? And that's what I actually realized on my way here. Sabi ko, I mean, the chance of the participants, except perhaps kay Bridget, no? Ano pa ang ituturo ko that the likelihood of you not knowing is almost, hindi naman zero, but it's very, very maliit. Di ba? Parang wala naman ito. But anyway, yesterday, nag-taping ako sa magpakilanman. And anong tawag mo dito? I always say, when people see me, I always say, oh, ano ka na, veteran? Or, ang parang sinasabi ko, somebody tells me that, hindi, matanda lang. And that is true. I concentrated on acting in 2003. So, technically, I've been acting for 20 years, but I don't know, as far as quote-unquote success is concerned, I don't know where I am. But I still see myself as a student. I probably teach. Siguro, maybe because exacting lang. I think that is probably. But it took me a long time to be able to have the courage, the strength, the confidence to teach. And even if I am teaching, meron pa rin, napakalaki pa rin yung pagdududa sa bahagi. And I mentioned MPK showing sometime mid-March, precisely because it made me feel like an amateur. Di ba, kahapon, you do one last scene ko, and your director comes up to you and say things that really examine what you are as a person, what you are as an actor. So, parang alam mo yun, it really brings you down to a certain level that makes you feel insecure, embarrassed, etc., etc. Hindi ba? So, and I realized that I'm the sort of actor na, and I think it's important for you to know that. Are you the sort of actor na pag pinupush, mas nagbibigay, or tumitiklo? And I realized that I am the actor na pag pinupush mo, tumitiklo pa. Mas creative ako if I am given freedom. As much freedom as this. So sinabi ko yun kasi okay, and then siguro we'll just parang I remind you na lang ako to pick up from there. So what we will do now is you will introduce yourself so we get used to it. So you introduce yourself. Kasi, halimbawa, like what is your name again?
Winfred.
Winfred. Si Winfred, di ba parang, anong tawag dito? Anong height mo? 5'7"? 5'6", di ba? Pag-8. 2 inches yung buhok mo. So, ano siya, pero, di ba, nagtitignan nyo, nagtuturo siya ng sayaw, nagsasayaw siya. But you're not going to tell me that this is how he is when he teaches and when he dances. Is that correct? Exactly. Kasi nga, the environment doesn't allow him yet to be confident. And confidence is very important sa pag-arte for film. So what I'm saying is that you can be shy off-camera. Kasi maraming artistang ganyan. Mga comedians especially. Sila, I've worked with Rene Requestas. Maraming comedians, you see them, they're just like this. Dolphy. Ganyan na sila. Okay. Hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho si Dolphy, pero si Rene Requestas sa katrabaho na, Duveloso, mga comedians. Diba? They're just in one corner. Pero once nilagay mo na sila sa area where they're supposed to perform. Once nilagyan mo sila ng ilaw, pinapatan mo ng camera, nagtatransform sila. And as far as I'm concerned, I think that is more important. I'd rather have you confident when the light is on, when the camera is on, rather than, you know, yung bibong-bibo ka, off cam, pero pag tinapatan ka ng camera, parang hindi mo alam ang gagawin. So I'd rather have, ako personally, I'd rather have you like shy, insecure, and all of that. Pero once tinapatan ka na ng ilaw, once you hear the word action, perform ka. Okay? So let's put that aside muna. So for now, what we will do is, hey, monetize ka ba?
Oo.
Hindi naman gets sila nila. Lahat ngayon, pag tinapatan kayo ng video, monetize ka ba? Kasi pag monetize, huwag kayong pumayag. Okay. So anyway, gagawin nyo ngayon, let's form a circle. Huwag ako isama. Sama ka dito. So that na. Tapos what you do is, close the circle please. Pag sinabi natin, okay, these are simple instructions. Okay, ganito yan. I'll tell you something. Siguro arm's length. Arm's length ang distance. Arm's length. Pag nag-gets nyo yung, ito yung mga rule of thumbs ko. Pag nagbigay ng instruction, gawin nyo na. Pag nakuha nyo, gawin nyo na. Don't wait for the others. Kasi, pag hinintay nyo yung iba, walang mangyayari. Okay? So pag sinabing form a circle, circle kagad. Yung iba kasi wala. Parang tindahan na yan, di ba? Pag walang pumapasok sa tindahan, walang tao. Pero pag may pumasok, may pasok yung iba. Wala namang masama. Di ba? Ako personally, pigilan itong false modesty. It's not being modest, it's just being in the moment. You're asked to form a circle, form a circle. Wala nang hilahan, wala nang circle. Kaya ang daming marites eh. Di ba? Form a circle, circle. Di ba? Tapos. At huwag kayo, circle daw. So, avoid directing people. Di ba? May sarili tayong utak, may sarili tayong katawan. Form a circle, form a circle. Huwag ka na magpahila. Huwag ka namang hila. Kasi may sarili yan. Decision. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin is you introduce yourself and you do it with one, and then make a movement. So, halimbawa, ako, Rolly. And then everybody does it. Okay, example, kunyari, kung kasama ko sa circle, I do Rolly and everybody says, Rolly, the same movement, the same kung kailan siya sinabi. Okay? Copy?
Yes.
So, sample. Rolly. Oh, sabay-sabay. Okay, one more time. Bitin natin ha. Ako ulit. Ano pa? Okay. So, masanay tayo. Watch and then execute. Ready? So, I do it first and then everybody copy. Rolly. Rolly. Good. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, counterclockwise. So, let's start. I will start. Whoever I point, you start, and everybody does it. So, kunyari, I start with him, he does his thing, sunod ka. So, kunyari, Rolly, movement, Rolly. Diba? Tapos, siya naman. Kunyari, Lando. Tapos, everybody does Lando. George, everybody does George. Tito, Vic, Joey. Copy?